Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over Rufus ISO burning tips, simple strategies to make sure your bootable USB works perfectly every time. Whether you're installing Windows, Linux, or running a live environment, these tips will save you time and prevent errors. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. First tip, always verify your ISO file before using it. A corrupted or incomplete ISO can cause Rufus to fail or make a USB that won't boot. Check the file size and, if possible, the hash to make sure it's complete and intact. Next, choose the right partition scheme and file system. For modern PCs with UEFI, select GPT and FAT32. For older BIOS systems, choose MBR. FAT32 is compatible with most systems, but if your ISO is over 4 gigabytes, you may need to switch to NTFS. Picking the correct scheme and file system is key to a successful boot. Tip number 3, use the correct writing mode. Rufus offers ISO and DD modes. Most ISOs work fine in ISO mode, but some Linux distributions or specialized ISOs require DD mode. Rufus usually prompts you if DD mode is needed, so follow its recommendation. Another important tip, format your USB properly. Quick format is fine for most users, but for older or slower drives, a full format can help identify bad sectors before burning the ISO. Always back up your data first, because formatting erases everything on the drive. Finally, keep Rufus updated. New versions fix bugs, improve compatibility, and add support for the latest ISOs and operating systems. Using the latest version ensures your USB creation process is smooth and error-free. In short, successful ISO burning in Rufus comes down to verifying your ISO, selecting the correct partition and file system, choosing the right writing mode, formatting your USB properly, and keeping Rufus updated. Following these tips will make your bootable USB reliable and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends who want to create bootable USBs, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.